Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own music audio to Instagram Reels. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. I'm on my Instagram page right now. When you want to create a new reel, and when you go to the audio, there is no way to upload your own music. I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. You want to go to the Play Store or App Store, type in KineMaster. This is the editing software. Install it. Then hit open. Click plus button over here. Then select the Reels format 9:16. And now we want to select the video. Hit the bottom at the top. Now we can add a song that we want. So you hit audio. Go to your songs over here. This is the song I want to add. Hit the add button. As you can see now, this song has been added to the video. Click save button at the top right. And now you want to export the video. Now the video is completed. Go back to Instagram. And now we can add the reels. And then select the video we just made. And now you can post with your own custom music. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.